In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new fonts in Canva. Adding your own fonts is a great way to keep your designs on brand and unique, especially if you're using a specific typeface for your business, social media, or personal projects. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to upload and use custom fonts inside Canva. First, open Canva and select a design to work with. This can be an existing design you've already created or a completely new one, like a social media post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. The important thing is that you're inside the Canva editor so you can access the text tools and font options. Once your design is open, click on any text box in your design. If you don't have text yet, simply add a text box using the text tool. After selecting the text, look at the top toolbar and click on the font name. This is usually displayed as the current font, such as a default Canva font. Clicking on that name will open the full font menu. In the font menu, scroll all the way down until you see the option to upload a font. Click on Upload Font. This is where you can bring in fonts you've downloaded from places like Google Fonts or other reputable font websites. Before you do this, make sure you already have your font file downloaded to your computer. Common font file types are OTF and TTF, and most font providers will give you one of these formats. After clicking Upload Font, a File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where you saved your downloaded font. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct file, especially if you downloaded a font family with multiple styles like regular, bold, or italic. Now, choose the font file you want to add and click to select it. Once selected, confirm your choice. Canva will begin uploading the font, and you may see a quick notification when the upload is complete. Depending on your account type, Canva might also ask you to confirm that you have the right to use this font, so be sure you're following any licensing terms. After the upload finishes, your new font will appear in the font list, usually under a section for uploaded fonts. From there, simply click on it to apply it to your selected text and start designing with your new custom typeface.